Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. Today I wanted to share some empties and products I recently used up completely. So I have makeup, skincare, and hair care. I'm going to let you guys know what I think about the products, do some reviews, but also let you know if I plan on repurchasing them or if I've been able to replace them with something else that I already own. I did finish up a foundation. This is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. This is my go-to foundation. It is such a beautiful texture, and I rarely use foundations up completely for some reason. I don't have a ton of foundation in my collection, but I feel like it takes a while to go through an entire bottle of it. But I was able to use this one up because I use it so often. Typically, I will mix this one with a little bit of the Pure Cosmetics foundation when I'm filming videos. That's what I have on today. But I also love this one on its own. It's very lightweight, very hydrating. It looks so smooth and even on the skin. And I like this one because it just wears so nicely throughout the day. When you reach for more of a full coverage, heavy foundation, if you touch your face or if your skin gets really oily, it can kind of look a little bit patchy and uneven. Because this one is a little bit more natural, I feel like it's more forgiving, and as it wears off, your skin just looks like skin. It really is such a good formula. So if you guys haven't tried this one, I do recommend it. I also like the tinted moisturizer from the same line and the concealer, but this is probably my favorite complexion product that ColourPop has ever done. So I will repurchase this. I actually have another bottle of it ready to go because it is my go-to. I did use up some brow products. I actually ran out of pretty much all of these right at the same time. The first one is the Urban Decay Brow Blade. I do have a few of these on hand because I did purchase a bunch of them when they were on sale. I think I got them from QVC. They had like 3 for the price of 1 or 2. I can't remember the exact deal, but it was a really good deal. And whenever there is like a Sephora VIB sale or Ulta has like a 20% off coupon, I typically do buy another one of these because it is my go-to brow product. I have a lot of videos using this, so I'll link one in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. But recently, over the past few months, I actually discovered some other brow pens that I really like. And honestly, I use all 3 of these products interchangeably. The nice part about the Brow Blade is that it is a dual-ended product, so you get a pencil and a brow pen, so it's just perfect for everyday wear or for travel. Once we travel again, this will definitely be a staple. But these are from the drugstore. So if you want to try a brow pen without spending a ton of money, these are great. I think my favorite out of the 2 is the NYX Lift and Snatch. They're all very similar because, like I said, I will use them interchangeably, but the NYX Lift and Snatch has a really good shade range. The only thing about this one is I feel like I ran out of this one really quickly because this is the newest pen to my collection and it dried out. So I don't know, that doesn't make sense to me because I think they all come with a similar, or these 2 come with the same exact amount of product. So maybe I did end up using this one a little bit more than Milani. I don't know. I'm going to repurchase it and use it exclusively and see how long it will last me because I do love this. So I wear Espresso in the NYX pen, and then I also wear Espresso in the Milani pen. I think the Milani pen is maybe just a little bit more tapered. Like the brush is very fine. So if you want true natural hair-like strokes, you might want to go with Milani. This one's the easiest to use. I feel like brow pens take a little while to get the hang of them because they can look pretty intense if you don't use a light hand. So just go in with a light hand and you'll get nice natural strokes. But I do love all 3 of these. I do have backups of the Brow Blade, but I do plan on repurchasing the NYX one for now. I also used up the e.l.f. Lash and Brow Serum. Mine looks rough because the labels started to come off near the end. I think it's just because I was using it so much, and I typically use it after I wash my face, so my hands are wet, and I think that's why it looks like this, but I love this product. I actually repurchased this. I repurchased 1 for my lashes and 1 for my brows. So I was only using this on my lashes, and I do feel like I have noticed a difference. I feel like my lashes look longer, they're a little bit stronger, and now I want to see if it makes a difference for my sparse brows. So I will definitely keep you guys posted. The reason why I like this compared to other eyelash serums in the market is that it's a lot less expensive, it comes with more product, and it's a lot more gentle. Now, in terms of ingredient breakdown, there might be more benefits to other serums, but other serums really tend to irritate my eyes, and I just don't want to deal with any eye irritation. So this product does work really well for me, and I'm excited to see if I can see any results using it on my brows over the next few months. So I'll definitely keep you posted. I did use up a few mascaras, including the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I love this one. It's really been my favorite over the past few months, so I do plan on repurchasing this one at some point. I have a few other mascaras I'm currently working on, but I love this one because it gives you the most dramatic lashes without wearing false lashes. It makes your lashes look really thick and dramatic and voluminous, but it also makes them look really long because it does build really well. So I am a big fan of this one. It's a really wet mascara, and I find that when a mascara is really wet, it's almost a little bit better once it has the chance to dry out a little bit. That's the case with the e.l.f. Lash It Loud, this one, a few other ones. So I almost like it a little bit more after the first month of using it. But I think the brush really allows you to build the product up really nicely. So I do love it. I plan on repurchasing this one at some point. I also used up the Urban Decay Lash Freak. So I've just been buying this one in a mini version because it's a lot less expensive, and a mini lasts a long time because, again, this is a very wet formula. I would say the formulas are pretty similar, but this brush is a lot different. This one, again, gives you really dramatic lashes, but it does have a tendency to look a little bit more clumpy. And you can apply a ton of this product on accident. So it's not necessarily super user-friendly, but again, it just stretches your lashes and makes them look so long. Between the two, I don't know which one I like better. I feel like I like the Perversion better for day-to-day wear, but I also like the Lash Freak when I just want like super long dramatic lashes and I don't really care if they look a little bit clumpy. So I feel like when it comes down to it, I might actually prefer the Perversion, but I do like the Lash Freak as well. It's just not as user-friendly, and it's like you can apply too much before you know it. So that's why I've liked Perversion a little bit more over the past few months, and I think between the two, I'll end up repurchasing Perversion before the Lash Freak, but I do love the Lash Freak. I don't know, I like both of them. I did use up at the Covergirl Exhibitionist Uncensored. I don't know what it is about this formula, but I feel like it flakes on me. And I don't think that used to be the case because I really liked it. But I noticed that whenever I wore this, I would end up with mascara on my contacts. And I hate that feeling because it's hard to get it off. And throughout the day, my eyes would just be really irritated when I used this. So I don't know if my preferences have just changed or I didn't notice that in the past, but because of that, I won't be repurchasing it. It does look really good on the lashes, but it just doesn't stay on my lashes all day long anymore. Let's talk about some skincare products. So I did use up 3 eye creams. I've been trying out so many eye creams over the past few months. Actually, the ones that I have in my bathroom right now are different than these, except for this one. This one is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. So I had a little mini version of this that I got during the holiday season, and I did use it up and I love it. I tried not repurchasing this for a while because I was using another one, and there are just days where I feel like I need something really intense. And I don't know if that will be the case during the summertime, but during the winter, my under eye area just gets a little bit dry and sensitive, and I don't really like any other formula as much as this one. I have found some other ones that I enjoy, but when I really need like extra hydration, this is my go-to. It's very, very thick, really gentle, and I just love it. So I did recently repurchase it, but I redeemed my Ulta points for it, so I just wanted to grab something I knew that I loved. But that being said, I am in the process of testing out some other formulas that might be more ideal for the summertime, but during the winter, even the fall, and even the spring, because spring is pretty cold where I live, this is my favorite formula. I used to love this one. This one is the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I had this in my collection, so instead of repurchasing the IT Cosmetics right away, I wanted to finish up the Banana Bright Eye Cream, and I still like the texture of this one, but I don't know, I don't like it as much as the IT Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. And after using that one, I noticed how scented this one is. And now that I've used other eye creams that aren't scented, I feel like I just prefer an unscented eye cream. There's no reason for an eye cream to have fragrance in it. I know some people are like anti-fragrance in skincare altogether, and it's totally up to you. But for me, at least when it comes to an eye cream, I do prefer one that's unscented or has like a very, very subtle scent that you don't notice. But the Henriksen one is very strongly citrus scented. I still like the formula, I still like the texture, but I think I like the IT Cosmetics one better, so I don't plan on repurchasing this one for now. And then I also used up the e.l.f. Cosmetics Holy Hydration Eye Cream. So this one is a great option if the IT Cosmetics eye cream is the IT Cosmetics eye cream is too heavy for you. This one's a little bit lighter, a little bit softer. It almost has more of like, not a serum texture, but it's like a serum cream hybrid. It blends in really nicely. It's really thin and not lightweight, but I do feel like it provides a good amount of hydration. So again, I might repurchase this one at some point. I have a lot that I'm using because I am testing out, I think, 2 other ones. Right now I'm using one from the Inky List. I have one from Soul Body, and then I also have the It Cosmetics one. So I do like this. I might try it again at some point. I'm kind of using a bunch right now and testing out different formulas. This product is so good. The 4th Ray Beauty BFD Cleansing Oil. This is the second one that I've used up completely. It is my favorite. I think I might switch to a micellar water for summertime, but there's nothing like this product. It just removes your makeup so easily, and it does not irritate my skin, and it does not irritate my eyes. I am testing out some cleansing balms. I got one from It Cosmetics. I think I have another brand. I like cleansing balms, but I think I like cleansing oils better just because they're a little bit more lightweight and they just spread so easily. And I like the fact that this has a pump. It seems to last a long time. This is just the best cleansing oil that I've ever tried. I did repurchase this. I have it in my bathroom right now. I don't think I will be repurchasing this product. So this is the Drunk Elephant C Firma Day Serum. Okay, what vitamin C serum do you guys use? I used to love this product, and I still think it's very, very effective. I know people have strong feelings about Drunk Elephant. My issue with this product is that I can't use it up fast enough. It goes bad before I use it up completely, and I don't think that used to be the case, but I don't use vitamin C every day. I switch back and forth between this product and then a serum that's meant to treat hyperpigmentation. I was on a Zoom call with a skincare brand, and they were kind of talking about the fact that our skin does change sometimes from day to day, and what you might need one day, you might not need the next day. And I thought that was really interesting because I think a lot of skincare advice videos tell you that you have to nail down a skincare routine and use like this product, this ingredient, this formula every day, and that's just not always the case. So for me, I've been switching back and forth between a vitamin C serum and then a serum that treats hyperpigmentation because I feel like layering them together is just too much for my skin. So because of that, I've been going through this a lot, or it takes me a lot longer than it used to in the past, and kind of nearing the end of this, it expired. Once it changes colors, it's just not as effective. I still used it. I used it on my chest and on the back of my hands because I'm sure there's still some benefit to it, and I didn't want to get rid of it completely, but I think for that reason, I kind of want to try something else. So do you guys have another vitamin C recommendation? Please let me know. I'm curious to try something else at this point. And then, okay, these are staples as well. So I guess a lot of these products are things that I do plan on repurchasing. I actually already repurchased this. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This product just hydrates my skin so beautifully. It's a really nice gel type texture, and those have been my go-to moisturizers. They leave your skin looking and feeling so healthy, and they're just not too heavy on my oily skin during the spring and summer. Sometimes like a true cream moisturizer can just be too much for day-to-day wear, so I like something like this because it's very, very lightweight. So I did buy it during the Sephora VIB sale, and once I finish it up, I don't know, I might try something different. I love trying new moisturizers. This one is the Polish Toy Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. I always have this in my collection. I think that I used it up, and then I was trying to avoid repurchasing it because I was trying out some other products, and I feel like this makes such a difference. I have to have it in my routine because when I don't have it, I notice that my skin is a lot more textured overall. You can probably see in this lighting better than in my other lighting, but I feel like my skin is looking pretty smooth. I usually deal with a lot of texture on my cheeks, and when I use this product consistently, I notice that it is significantly diminished. And on top of that, this product just seems to balance my skin overall. So it is my go-to exfoliator. I love this one so much. I did use up a shampoo and conditioner from Function of Beauty. It usually takes me 3 months to go through these, and I don't think my last empties video was 3 months ago, but I had been done with those for a while and I was already using these. So these were the orange bottles. I don't know if I've featured them in any recent videos. I love Function of Beauty. This is not sponsored. I think I worked with them twice last year, but ever since then I've just been repurchasing the products on my own. I did recently get a shampoo and conditioner from the brand Fekkai in the mail as PR, so I've actually been using that formula and I like it. I used it today and I I don't know that my hair is really looking the best because it's a very smoothing formula. And whenever I use a really smoothing formula, my hair doesn't curl as well. It straightens really, really nicely. And that's what I did yesterday. And I don't really wear my hair straight very often these days, but that product just cuts out any frizz and my hair is pretty much straight after I blow dry it. So that is a pro for me. I don't know if I like the formula better than Function of Beauty, but I think I'm going to continue to use those and then I'll see if I want to repurchase this. I think I will. I don't know. I know some people don't like Function of Beauty. For me, I feel like I just found the perfect formula that works for me. It is a customized formula. So I'm sure there are people out there who have gotten their formula and haven't loved it, but for some reason, mine works so well. I have naturally wavy, dry, frizzy hair. So if you have the same hair texture and type that I do, I'll list my formula in the description box below, and then maybe that would work well for you too. But it's tough because it is a customized formula. So it kind of depends on personal preference, your personal hair goals, but I do really love it. And I know they sell it at Target now. I don't know that it's the same because you do purchase a base and then you can purchase like a few add-ins. And I've heard some people say they don't love that. So for me, I just purchase online. I can usually find a coupon code and get a discount, but I do think I will end up repurchasing it after I use the Fekkai one. Unless I just fall in love with that, I might stick with Fekkai when I straighten my hair and then stick with Function of Beauty when I curl it or let it dry naturally. I also used up the Kenra Volume Spray. This one is just number 25. I feel like I went through this kind of fast, and I think it's just because I have been curling my hair a lot. I used to just straighten my hair all the time, or I would switch back and forth, but over the past year, when I do take the time to do my hair, I usually curl it, so I feel like that's why I went through it a little bit faster than normal. But I did repurchase this. It's been my go-to hairspray for a while. Okay, I think that's everything I have to share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Thanks for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I hope that you guys have a great day. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.